The second of the fluencies is futures fluency. So what we see typically in corporate organisations is that they are running on quarterly cycles, particularly if they're publicly owned. They're having to go to the analysts and present on a quarterly basis. They perhaps have 1 and a 3, and if they're really long-term thinking, 5-year strategic plan that's kind of usually changed at the 3-year mark. But there's really not much work being done saying what are the massive ways that both technology, global trends, different changes in values as the younger people come up and have a different idea about what's important in the world, how does that potentially impact the business that we are in? And also, how do we as leaders want to be good ancestors? How do we want to create an organisation that goes beyond profit, but which actually does some good in the world?